This is me living in my RV in blissful, magical Cowland. But before I could get there, I had to go through all of this. I'm just over it. Why did that feel like I just did a C-section surgery? I realized another problem, and my brain is just dead. If you watched my last video, you would know that in order to travel for the summer for a few months, I had to move all of the things on my old lot that I lived on stationary for 9 months. This included a bunch of heavy logs, about 90 cinder blocks, and some furniture and so on. I also found a water leak, fixed the water leak, had to carrier train my previously semi-feral kitty and do multiple test drives with her in the truck. And along with stabilizing everything in the RV, I discovered that my water pump, which allows me to have running water off grid, was not working. So now here we are. I just moved my RV onto my sister's property, and I have a few days to figure out what's going on with my water pump. My sister just told me that she thinks this white stuff on the fuse of the water pump is battery acid or something. So I'm just gonna try and replace this and see if it works. Okay, now I got to disconnect the battery, which I don't know how to do, but I'm gonna do it. Alright, it's a lot easier than I thought. I don't know why. I just get scared with electrical stuff. And yes, after this, I learned that I actually had an on and off switch for my battery that was hiding underneath my propane tanks. Oops. Okay, nothing's lighting up, so the battery's disconnected. It typically, see, it didn't spark when I tighten it, but when you first put it on, it sparks. What? It's another day. I realized another problem. My battery is not holding a charge. And so I did some more research on my battery, which I know I should have done this a long time ago. But I found out my batteries are lead acid, and I had to fill them up with water. And I have not been monitoring the water on my batteries. So I just looked into them now, and there's some that definitely need some water. So I'm gonna do that now, and hopefully that's the reason why, so I don't have to replace it. It's kind of hard to tell, honestly. Really could use a flashlight, but this one, I guess the water should be like below the plastic. There's water in some, like this one is higher, but these need to get refilled, these two. So, and you want to make sure to use distilled water. I'm just pouring it, kind of eyeing it with this cup. The battery's nothing, so I'm going to turn on my generator and charge up the battery. I'm so annoyed because it's taking forever for this part to come off. This one came off easy. I'm just over it. Why did that feel like I just did a C-section surgery? After cutting and prying it out, the old water pump is finally out. Finally. It looks like this pump was manufactured in 2016, so it makes sense that it's gone out. It's 9 years, almost 10 years now. Okay, so I am replacing my battery with an AGM battery because they didn't have the right size I needed for a lead acid. So I just upgraded to AGM. I just checked that my converter has an auto thing that knows how to charge the AC or AGM versus lead acid. Should just be as easy as plugging and playing in, or plug and play. That's what the guy said. So new battery is fully charged. I had to get a new battery because my old one was not holding a charge. Likely because I did not maintain it the way I should have been doing, because I didn't even know about that. But it's okay. Hopefully this one works out. It's an AGM, so it should be better than the lead acid. Getting a propane refill before I head out tomorrow. If anybody could help me, I was wondering if y'all think these are okay. I asked the guy at Tractor Supply and he said that I should be good for now, but to make sure to get them replaced definitely next time. I don't know anybody really who has an RV, so just wondering from like fellow campers or people that use propane tanks, do y'all think these are okay? I always get paranoid with stuff like that. I am so tired. I have been doing nothing but working and getting caught up on work because I am not going to be able to work on travel days. There's just no way. And my brain is just dead. I'm so exhausted. Tomorrow we're leaving. So the only thing I think I have left is to make a grocery order, because I don't want to have to do that, or I don't want to have to worry about that when we get to where we're going, because it's just hard to go to the grocery store when you're in the mountains or in like remote places. And what else? Pump up my tires. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Gotta get my sister's air compressor out of here and wheel it to the front, because last time when we were trying to blow up my tires with our regular tire compressors, one of them died out, and then the other two just weren't working at all. Y'all, we're finally on the road. Got Seiji back there, she's doing good. See you at our next campsite. We made it to our first campsite. Let me make sure that I'm close enough. Hold on. I got pulled through, the only pull through they had at this site. I don't feel like backing up, y'all. I'm tired. What do you think? What do you think, baby? Okay, the kids are settled. I got the AC on. Jet's got some snacks. Sage is getting reacquainted with the RV. It's been a little while. It's been like 10 days since we've been in here. I've missed my home. Oh, it feels so good to be in nature. Even though we're still in Texas and it's 90 degrees, it still feels so amazing. Like, I don't mind being in 90-degree weather when it's this beautiful, like where I am. Nice and easy. What do you think, Seiji? I think Sage likes it. There's already so many different species I've seen. Just taking a walk in nature while eating a bagel. After exploring the park for a bit and getting gas at the most rural, old-fashioned gas station ever, we headed about 4 hours out to Palo Duro State Park. And we were amazed, to say the least. Whoa! Ah! This is steep, y'all. Bro, that's so pretty! Oh! We are going deep down into the canyon, y'all. Oh my gosh. A couple of bunnies greeted us at our campsite, and we only had one night here, so we decided to take the scenic drive around the canyon, and we saw so much wildlife. We also saw so many beautiful rock formations, and looking back, I would have definitely planned to have at least a couple of days to explore this park. Although the idea of towing my trailer out of the mountain at such a steep grade was a bit nerve-wracking. We're 2 hours behind, and I just pray that we can get up this canyon. Okay, we're about to go up. I'm gonna build up some speed. We're going 3 mpg. Holy crap. almost all the way up. Okay, let's get the worst of it now. Oh my gosh. I had filled up my water too, my fresh water, because I'm going to go boondocking now. And I just want to make sure that I have water. So that's extra weight that we're carrying, but we made it. Sage was hanging on for dear life during that ride. Oh. Okay guys, we are at our final destination campsite, and I'm just gonna end this video here because it's probably super long. If you stayed this long, thank you so much. It's been a chaotic several weeks, and I appreciate you guys coming along with me because it really makes me feel less alone in it all. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and a comment. I love reading the comments. And make sure to stay tuned and keep coming back, because now we're in the most beautiful free forest, living here for 2 weeks. So I'll definitely have a lot more videos coming soon. Bye!